What is the locus of points that is equidistant from points P 1, 3 and Q 3, 5? This is like you have a line, like this is a straight line. You have point P here and you have point Q here. Now you want to find the locus of this equation of this locus. So locus of point that is equidistant. Equidistance means the distance from here to here is the same as from here to here. They have the same distance. So, or you can say find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. So if question still say find the equation of perpendicular bisector, it's still the same as they find the locus of point that is equidistant from 2 points. That is locus. This straight line is a locus. It has equal distance from here to here, or equation of perpendicular bisector. The normal process is that first you are going to find the midpoints of these 2 points, and remember midpoint is equals to s1 plus s2 divided by 2, also y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So according to this point, this is s1, this is y1, this is s2, this is y2. So s1 plus s2 means 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 divided by 2. Also y1 plus y2, 3 plus 5 divided by 2. So this is 4 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. So the midpoint is 2, 4. So that means the midpoint where that locus divides the point into 2 equal parts is 2, 4. Also find the gradient of these 2 points, gradient of that straight line. So find the gradient. Remember, gradient is y2 minus y1. So if you want to find locus of point, those are the steps. Find the gradient, find the midpoint first. We got this. Now find the gradient. Formula is y2 minus y1 over s2 minus s1. So gradient is y2, 5 minus y1, that is 5 minus 3 divided by s2, 3 minus 1. So that is s2 minus s1. So 5 minus 3, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 over 2 is what? 1. So the gradient of that straight line, m, is equals to 1. So but the gradient we need is the gradient of this perpendicular bisector. Gradient of this. So at perpendicular line, m1, m2 is equals to minus 1. m2 will be minus 1 over m1. So we take this our gradient as m1. So m2 is minus 1 over 1. m2 is minus 1. So that means the gradient of this perpendicular bisector is minus 1. So we are now going to find the equation of this line through this midpoint. So that is now our locus of a point that is equidistant from those 2 points, or equation of this perpendicular bisector. So we are going to use y minus y1 equals m into s minus s1. So this is now our new point. This is s1, y1. Also, these are our gradients. So I'll put m2. So this will be y minus y1, that is 4, equals m2. so that is minus 1. S minus S1, that is 2. So I'm using this point now. So this will be y minus 4 equals minus s plus 2, that is minus times minus plus. So take 4 to the other side, this will be plus 4, that is this minus 4, take it to the other side, that will be plus 4. So y is minus s plus 6. So this is the equation of this perpendicular bisector. So the correct option is B. Y is minus s plus 6. So correct answer is B. Now that's the process, but I have used all those process, the step, to generate formula. So the formula may look like it's long, but it's easy to remember as I'll be writing it offhand too. So I already know what the formula will look like. So the answer is down. But if you want to use formula without passing through that process, we have point P and point Q. We have point P and point Q. Q is 3, 5. So for this point, this is S1, Y1, S2, Y2. So now this is the formula: y1 square minus y2 square plus s1 square minus s2 square. If you look at this, it's easy to remember. Y1 minus y2, just square plus 2y y2 plus 2y y1 minus 2s s2 minus 2s s1. Sorry, 2y y2 plus, it's y and s, just like you say y1 square minus y2 square plus s1 square minus s2 square plus 2y y2, then plus 2s s2 minus 2y y1 minus 2s s1, everything equals 0. So if you use this now, what is y1? That will be 3, that is 3 square minus y2, that is 5 square, as in y1 minus y2. So this is y1 3, this is y2 5, plus s1 1 square minus s2 3 square, then plus 2y y2, that is 5, y2 is 5, then plus 2s s2 is 3, then minus 2y y1 is 3, minus 2s s1 is 1. So everything equals 0. So 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9 minus 25. So plus 1 minus 9 plus 10y plus 6s minus 6y minus 2s, everything is 0. So 9 minus 25, that is minus 16. So that is minus 16, then minus 8, because 1 minus 9, then plus, we have 10y minus 6y, that is 4y. 6s minus 2s, that is 4s, is equals to 0. Minus 16 minus 8, that is minus 24, plus 4y plus 4s is equals to 0. You will notice the same number can go in all the number, and that is 4. So divide everything by 4. So 24 divided by 4 minus 6, 4y divided by 4 y, 4s divided by 4 s, everything equals 0. So y is equals to minus s plus 6. That is, take this s to the other side and also this 6, so which is also the same as b. So this will be like your general formula now, so you can study it if you don't want to pass through the normal process. Y1 square minus y2 square plus s1 square minus s2 square plus 2y y2 plus 2s s2, then minus 2y y1 minus 2s s1, so like that.